And now your weather from News 9.
And good evening, everyone. We finally got that rain that we've been wishing for quite a while. Of course, we've got the wildfires going on this past weekend, a lot of wind, a lot of bad things. We, in fact, have been under a severe drought in central Oklahoma. You know what? I think we're going to be able to put a little bit of a dent in that drought. We've got some good news. Lots of rain headed up from the southwest. Air low pressure down south. Yeah, because of that, we are just being blessed with lots of rain right now. A lot of areas already picking up around an inch of rainfall. Some of the heavier rains right now across portions of Grady County, Stevens County, Duncan, you've got some very heavy rain. Pauls Valley, you're about to get hit with a lot of heavy rain. The good news is we're not expecting any severe weather out of this. From time to time, we've had some areas of lightning. There we go right now, just right north of Ardmore. We've got some thunderstorms taking place, but we're not expecting any severe weather. So yes, a few thunderstorms, certainly a possibility as we go throughout the overnight hours, but no severe weather. A couple of spots of some moderate rain falling across portions of Billings, Perry, Stillwater, Pawnee. You've got some heavy rain moving through. As far as central Oklahoma is concerned, we definitely had some heavier rain move through earlier. It's kind of light right now, but nonetheless, we still have a lot of moisture to work with, and we've got a lot more moisture coming our way. Minko, Chickasha, all that rain is headed our way. It's all moving off to the east to northeast, and it's moving at a pretty nice pace as well. So yeah, we're not done with that rain, and we've already picked up quite a bit. You can see where that heavier band of rain has been falling. Caddo County. Yeah, check that out. Already 1.1 inches around Hinton, 1.2 in Fort Cobb, 1.6 down in Hobart, 1.0 or well 1 inch around Minko. So yeah, the heaviest of the rain has fallen just to our south and our west, but we are not done with that just yet. Outside right now, this is our Regency camera from the Air Comfort Sky Cam Network. Obviously an overcast sky. It's a little chilly though, 41 degrees. Got a north-northeast wind at around 9 miles an hour. Wind's not really going to be much of a factor here overnight tonight. 41 degrees in Ponca City, 36 in Woodward, 37 in Clinton, 46 degrees in Durant. These numbers will be staying above freezing overnight tonight. So anything that does fall is going to be plain rain. Very light wind across the state right now out of the north between about 5 to 15. Here's the big picture. The big storm system down to our south, that's going to be moving east across the southern plains over the next several hours. So that's going to keep that chance of rain in our forecast for at least the next day or so. Let's go ahead and time it out for you. Starting our future cast at 10 o'clock tonight, we've got those showers and a few thunderstorms just to our south, and that's going to continue to be the case overnight tonight, especially in central and southern Oklahoma. That's where that heavier rain will continue to fall. So we are not done with that rain just yet. Once we get into tomorrow morning, we're going to look at your morning commute. I think we're still going to have the rain around. It's not going to be nearly as heavy. In fact, it should be pretty light and at times a little intermittent as we go throughout the afternoon. So take the umbrella with you. You won't regret it. Otherwise, we're expecting overcast skies throughout the rest of the state. That rain will be coming to an end, though, later on in the evening. That will be shifting to the south and east, still looking like a lot of cloud cover by about 8 o'clock. But after 10 o'clock or so, we're going to start to see clearing skies. High pressure is going to move across the state, and that sunshine will return with that north wind. Here on Wednesday, temperatures will finally recover back into the 50s by midweek. So how much rain, how much additional rain could this storm system bring? Well, I think we could easily see maybe another inch or so even here in Oklahoma City. I think some of this is kind of stretching it out a little bit. I don't think some of us are going to see maybe 2.5 inches, but I wouldn't be surprised if we do get maybe another 2 inches in parts of southeast Oklahoma by the time it's all said and done. And that is where we currently have an extreme drought, so it is much needed. So overnight tonight, yeah, rain likely in central, southern, and eastern Oklahoma. Temperatures drop into the upper 30s to lower 40s. A chilly start to your Tuesday, and we're going to struggle to make it into the middle 40s by tomorrow afternoon. So a cold, wet, raw day for tomorrow. The rain will be coming to an end later in the evening, but during the afternoon, yeah, it's going to be hit and miss, but I think it looks pretty likely. At times it's going to be pretty light, but that's going to continue to be the case throughout the afternoon until it finally comes to an end later in the evening, and then that likely scenario is going to be taking place in far southeast Oklahoma. So for your Valentine's Day, doesn't look all that lovely, but hey, we need to see the rain, so that's some great news. By the time we get to Wednesday, sunshine returns and temperatures climb back into the 60s for the rest of the week, with more storm chances by next weekend.
Okay, we will remember to bring our umbrella tomorrow.
This time, yeah.
Cassie, thanks.